Hello everyone, welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. Today I'll guide you through how to write an O-1 visa application letter. This letter is a crucial part of your petition, demonstrating your extraordinary abilities and justifying your eligibility for the O-1 visa. You should begin your O-1 visa application letter with your personal details at the top, including your name, address, email, phone number, and the date. Below this, address the letter to the United States Citizenship and Immigration Services, specifying the appropriate service center's address. Next, include a clear subject line stating that the letter is for your O-1 visa petition. In the salutation, formally address the recipient as Dear Immigration Officer to maintain a professional tone. After that, write, I am writing to formally petition for an O-1 visa under the category of extraordinary ability in your field, e.g., science, arts, education, business, or athletics. With a proven track record of excellence, I have made significant contributions to mention industry or field, demonstrated by list major achievements, awards, publications, or recognitions. My expertise has been acknowledged by mention institutions, organizations, or experts in your field, making me a distinguished professional deserving of this visa classification. My employment with company organization name in the United States will allow me to continue my work in specific role or project which will contribute to the advancement of industry field. Enclosed are letters of recommendation, supporting documents, and evidence of my achievements that substantiate my eligibility for the O-1 visa. I appreciate your consideration and look forward to a positive response. Sincerely, your name. This is the sample O-1 visa application letter we have prepared. Notice how it clearly highlights your extraordinary ability, outlines your achievements, and demonstrates your eligibility under the O-1 visa category. By following this format step by step, you can craft a well-structured and persuasive application letter that strengthens your petition. This letter helps the recipient understand your expertise, professional contributions, and international recognition, ensuring that you meet the O-1 visa requirements. And with that, I end this video. If you found this guide helpful, like it and subscribe for more tips on writing visa application letters.